Beautiful morning. We're still shooting the sunrise. Got some surfers out there. What's poppin' YouTube? Today we'll be talking about ISO. When is it important to bump your ISO up to get crisp, sharp images? Today we'll be shooting around ISO 800 to 1000, maybe even up to 1500, just to get that crisp photo. But before we shoot that surfer, I'm gonna get this sunrise. Okay, so when is a good time to bump your ISO? You gotta use high ISO when you're using higher, faster shutter speed. So in order for me to get a crisp photo of all this surfers, I gotta raise up my shutter speed. Right now we're shooting at 2000, so it forces me to raise my ISO. I know when I first got into photography, I was always worried about high ISO and the noise. But as I started learning, you gotta bump your ISO up if you want sharp images. And you might have some noise or some grain. You can fix that in Lightroom, so don't be worried about bumping your ISO up. We're using the 200 to 600 Sony G Master lens. As you can see, now we're shooting at shutter speed 4000. Perfect. No blur. You can stop the action in movement. So today's video is about why it's important to shoot with high ISO. You're forced to shoot with high ISO when you're forced to raise up your shutter speed. So whenever you're shooting at a shutter speed, I say about 2000, 4000, you will have to raise your ISO. Even if you got a fast lens, but the lens that I'm using, it goes up to 5.6 aperture, so you're forced to raise your ISO up. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Ruben Kinui. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.